And as we say, that the people of Goa are always loving, supportive, and they always like to encourage these kind of activities. And I'm sure with the support of the people of Goa and whatever that we can do in support of this activity, we will definitely do it. पण जेन्ना ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचें हांवें नांव आयकलें दिलासा आनी डेट टू फॉर टर्मिनली इल पेशंट्स, म्हाका दिसता की त्या नांवानूच खूब आसा की दिलासाचो अर्थ जर आमी सोदून आमी जर विचार करत जाल्यार त्या दिलासा शब्दा भितर मनशाक आयुश्याच्या शेवटाक जें जाय पडटा तें हांगा मेळटलें अशा पद्दतीच्या नांवाचो खरें म्हणजे एक उपयोग आयमीन केल्लो आसा. ताका लागून तुमच्या नांवा खातीर तरी पयलीं अभिनंदन.
एक गोश्ट मुखार व्हरत रावलो. बाब विश्वचितानूय हांगा भरपूर गोश्टी मांडल्यात, मुखार व्हरपाचो प्रयत्न करतलो अशें म्हटलां आनी ताका दाद दिवप हें म्हजें कर्तव्य आसा. कारण हे सगळ्यो गोश्टी हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्रींतल्यान जावपाक जाय आनी तें जावपा खातीर ताजे बरोबर म्हजोय हातभार आसतलो. आतां सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाच्यो गोश्टी फोंड्या आमकां ना त्यो जर आमी चालू केल्यो जाल्यार खरेंच बरी गजाल आसतली. बिकॉज आय एम ए प्रेसिडेंट, यू डिस्कस अबाउट ओपनिंग ऑफ नर्सिंग स्कूल. I am proud to say I am one of the person where highest nurses have been produced in Madkai. I am proud to say almost say about 400 nurses as on today, diploma holders and also graduate nurses are from Madkai. आणि त्या खातीरूच म्हाका आनंद जालो कारण I got an agreement at Ghataprabha where I send all nurses at Ghataprabha. Almost say about per year 30 in diploma and 18 in degree nursing. आणि अशे जर कोर्स मागीर परत आमकां KLEत धाडचे पडटा आणि हे सगळे कोर्स जर हांगा चालू करता आसत डेफिनेटली फ्रॉम अदर सायड ऑल्सो आय विल हेल्प.
Dignitaries of the days and my dear friends, it is my privilege to read a message from the Honorable Chief Minister which we received on the 14th of December this year. The message is this way. I am happy to learn from Indian Medical Association Ponda branch that a dedicated team of doctors have come forward to start Dilasa, Center for Palliative Care in the state of Goa. IMA Ponda is known for its charitable services to the community and have gone one step further in creating state-of-the-art medical facility for patients in terminal stage of illness requiring end-of-life care by way of pain management and palliative care. Starting of Dilasa is a bold step taken up by IMA Ponda for the entire Goan community. I wish all the success to IMA Ponda in running and maintaining of this unique facility in the state. Thank you.
This is a day which should be written in golden letters in the history of entire national IMA. All the past presidents of IMA Goa, all the senior functionaries, I think Dr. Gavankar is here, Dr. Rajan Dev, Dr. Savrikar. This is not only a project. People normally visit temples, चार धाम करते हैं लोग. ये सच्ची, this is a temple of service and each and every person should visit and donate for this temple of service. Honorable Minister Sir, Indian Medical Association is having a membership of more than 3 lakh doctors throughout the country. We are the largest association of modern medicine doctors in the world. We have 32 state chapters and 1800 local branches.
Second phase was Center for Terminally Ill. Third phase was auditorium, and fourth phase was geriatric patient habitation. Looking at the present health scenario with increase in life expectancy, which is around about 67 and above, with increase in number of cancer patients living long, going for the terminal illness, and having a nuclear family, which is a trend at present, we decided to take the palliative care for the terminally ill patient on a priority basis. We were all aware, including all members were aware, that it was not an easy task to take over. This is a big project which requires determination, perseverance,